Hello friends, welcome to IoT Boys. I am Sambhu and here Rajiv with me. Today we came up with the very basic things in IoT. But before starting anything, you must need to know what is IoT. So IoT is basically known as the Internet of Things. It is a system of interrelated computing devices, mechanical and the digital machines, objects, animal or the people that are the providing with the unique identifiers and the ability to transfer data over a network without requiring human to human or human to computer interaction. So this one is the Arduino board and it is an open source electronic platform based on easy to use hardware and the software. Arduino board are able to read input, lights on a sensor, a finger on a button, activating a motor, tuning an LED and the publishing something over the internet. And in this Arduino board there are several pins available. So these are the digital pins. It is a dealing with the signals that are the either on or off, such as an LED, a switch or another digital IC. And another one is an analog pin. These pins are used when you want to read the voltage potential of something. This is the typically used to read analog sensor, example motor sensor, temperature sensor, pressure sensor, proximity sensor and etc. Here Rajiv with me, he is going to show you LED blinking program in Arduino.
Hello friends, Sambhu already explained about IoT and Arduino. Now I am going to show you how to write a program to blink LED. First, you should have Arduino IDE software installed on your machine. If you don't have, you can download it from Arduino official website. You can also find the link in video description. In my case, I have already installed, so I am going to write program. You need to file new. We need to define a variable to control LED through a specific pin number. So we are defining pin number 5. Here you can see setup. Basically, setup function is called once when a sketch starts. It is used to initialize variables, pin modes, etc. Here you can see pin mode. Pin mode defines the behavior either as input or output. We are defining it as output. Another function you can see loop. Loop function execute continuously till board is running. Okay. Here you can see digital write. So basically digital writes write a high or low value to digital pin. And here you can see delay. Delay basically pauses the program for the amount of time in a millisecond. So we are defining as a 2000 means 2 seconds. Okay. And also you can see high and low. High means we are sending signal that its LED should be on, and low means it should be off. Okay. Now we are going to compile this. First we need to save. Okay, it's done. Compilation has been done. Okay, now we need to upload this to our board. Before uploading, make sure your board and port is selected. In my case, already board and port has been selected. Okay, so now I'm going to upload this to the board. Okay, it's uploading. Yeah, uploading done. Now I'm going to show you how you can just plug the LED through the board and you can see the output. Okay. As we have already uploaded program to Arduino board, now for that we need a breadboard, LED and two male-to-male jumper wire. In the breadboard, there are two types of connection. First one is interconnected this way. Means whatever we supply the power that we can get here okay, and other is connected this way, means whatever we supply we can get here but we cannot get here, okay. So make sure. Now the other thing is, this is the LED, and if you can see, like both are not both pins are not the same. One is smaller than other. So basically a smaller than indicates that this is minus, or we can say ground, and the larger one is, this is plus, okay. And this is a jumper wire, so we need two jumper wire, okay. So now I'm going to connect, as we have written pin number 5, okay. So we need to, this is the pin number 5, you can see like this is pin number 5, okay, okay. And we need a ground, okay. So ground we can take from here, okay. Now I'm going to connect this LED like that, okay. So this is -1, this is +1, so okay. So this is +1, so whatever you pass that we can get here, right. And this is -1, that is ground, okay. See, okay. So it's blinking in each 2 seconds as we have written in our program, okay. Yeah, so that's for today, friends. Please like and subscribe our channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.